What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone device so you can actually change a lot of settings in here without the need of having your phone denying you to change a few settings. Now, stolen device protection is basically a secure measure that our iPhone takes whenever you wish to change a very crucial or important setting that will affect your security of your phone. You will actually have that feature blocking you from doing that, okay? That's for security purposes. For example, if someone steals your phone and knows your password, that person can deactivate the local tracking on your phone. So stolen device protection will protect your phone from changing that or from deactivating that tracking for a specific duration of time. So my recommendation is never turn off stolen device protection, but just in case you really wish to do something urgent, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, consider subscribing here to the channel. It really helps me out. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is hop into settings real quick. Next up, we're going to scroll down all the way to this section where we do have privacy and security. We're going to hop into privacy and security, and next up, we're going to scroll down all the way to stolen device and protection down here. We do have in here this section which says security, stolen device protection. Just hop into it, and next up, simply turn it off. Now, you may be in a situation where you have required security delay, which says away from familiar locations. Now, if it's set to away from familiar locations, unfortunately, it's going to ask you for some time if you are very far away from your usual locations, like your home, your office. Apple themselves usually track wherever you are and they see familiar locations. So if it's set to always, then you will definitely need that specific security delay. Just turn it off and you're good to go. Okay, position your Face ID and you're good to go. You've just successfully turned off stolen device protection and now you are good to go. There's nothing else in here that needs to be done. This is how easy you can actually turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.